Welcome to Advanced Manufacturing Learning Journey. Co-developed with TUV SUD, this learning journey has three main aims: to interpret what is series and its dimension, to change the local company's mindset, to adopting i4.0 technology and processes in their digital transformations, to showcase some proven solutions from solution providers to meet local companies' needs.
We demonstrate how even non-computerized legacy machines can be digitized and transformed into i4.0 ready machines.
In this zone, we are demonstrating 3 out of the 16 dimensions from the series. Today, we will feature the shop floor automation pillar, which is applying technology to monitor, control, and execute the productions and delivery of products.
The Smart Zone is a segment of this AM learning journey that highlights the usage of data with representative key concepts and technologies aligned with the Singapore Smart Industry Readiness Index series. This is intended to prepare businesses to better handle market uncertainty and competition by being more flexible and preemptive through what is termed data-driven decision making, hence the naming of SMART.